Hey, long time no see, everybody. Now the time goes quickly. Now it is coming to the end of the October. Now welcome to this month's first time TEYU and SA live streaming. Now today also we are answering the frequently asked questions from our customers about our company and the product and the service. Feel free to drop your questions in the comment section. Now today, the first question. Recently we meet many customer ask just is about how do TEYU and SA Chile navigate the new refrigerant regulations. As we all know that the North America has launched refrigerant regulation for the gas. I remember that they will be phased out the higher GWP refrigerant in 2026. So if we will we will find the equally friendly lower GWP refrigerant in yes. And we are taking steps to provide sustainable cooling solutions. And now we have created full plans to transition the refrigerant in our TEYU and SA, and we already put it into our actions. And now we are gradually adopt new lower GWP refrigerant in our chiller. At the same time, we are gradually phase out the higher GWP refrigerant like the R4110A and the R134, and as well as the R407C, these gas. So also, meanwhile, we also doing the test for the chiller with new gas like the R32, and ensuring the chiller operate efficiently and the cooling keep the cooling efficiently. And now, as well as we do also, because we changed the refrigerant, now we need to consider, we also to look for the transport compliance for new low GWP and export to the European and the American. So in this question, we also we have found out the lower GWP refrigerant in our chiller to install our chiller. And the second, we're also doing the actions is to doing the transport test, like the making the sea shipment available to ship European and America. And also we will doing the cooling testing, keep the performance efficiently, and yes. So they and also TEYU and SA keep a close watch on the industry chiller rules and making the laser chiller under the principle. Okay, so that is that is the first question, and we often meet. And the second, I think the generally is about the, sorry, I think the second. Here it is the wood industry. I think some people want to visit the booth, so they will ask will ask what industry in exhibition has been attended in this year. Yes. Actually, in this year, we attended many exhibitions in domestic market and the overseas market. Like in domestic market, we also going to attend. We had attend DPES exhibition in February at Guangzhou. So here also we also have the laser wall of photonics in Shanghai, at Shanghai in March month, and also we will attend. We have attended the Export Mail exhibition in May month. So that is held in the Brazil. Yes, and in October, sorry, not October, it's the September. It is the Schweizer and the Schneider in the October, Germany, and so on. So this exhibition also attracted many visitors and many customers to our booth to talk about the cooperation details. And also we bring the new models like the CWFL theories with SGS certification. Here also this exhibition also to witness our company achievement and the strengths. So our company our company is to deliver the chiller to cool their machines. Yes, helping to serve many customers and handle their overheating problems. Also in here, here, I think I prepare some video to the customers. Yes, here we have some video. Everybody could look. Let me check. Okay, let me check the DPES exhibition. Okay, here.
Laser equipment overheating and calling it quits. At DPES, purchasers are scrambling to grab this temperature control game changer. TEYU has Andy as booth is packed with visitors. And for good reason now, water chillers are putting an end to raw edges on acrylic, wood from CO2 laser cutting. Uneven ink curing and UV printing, precision stability issues in fiber laser market. No more production delays from overheating. No more spending extra on lens and laser tube replacements. And no more deductions from customers due to defects. Miss the exhibition? No worries, contact us now for your exclusive cooling solution.
Yes, that is the DPES exhibitions. Okay, now we will going to see the here also you could have a look. Yes, that is the world of photonics in Shanghai. the videos. Okay, also you could hear that is the in Brazil exhibitions. You could look at that. In Brazil, we bring the CWFL, the handheld welding chilies. Yes. So actually we have joined many exhibition in 2025 years. So it also have an others exhibition. So I haven't listed in here. So if you want to know more details, you could leave your questions, leave your comments in the session, in the studio section. Okay. Now we are going to the next part. Next part is to talking about the company development and the histories. Because some new customer, I think they will have some new customer they don't know the basic understanding for the TEYU and SMA. So here also just is some customer will ask the question, just is the how long has TEYU and SMA was found in and the business. So here just is to simply to talk about it. Actually, you can see this picture here also belong to the TEYU and SMA. Here also we have the two buildings, 1, 2, and here also, and now here also have the 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 4, 5. Sorry, 5. We have the 5 buildings. So these 5 buildings generally to do the storage, the incoming materials, and also to assembly some accessory assembly production, and also the different series water chillers assembly production line. Okay. Here we go to talk about our company history. Our name is Guangzhou TEYU. Okay, it was founded in 2002, with over 23 years old, and now we are more than higher technology enterprises, and we are specializing in research development and and also the production and the sales and the service, and that is the full cycle service of industrial refrigerant system. And here we also have our headquarters is in Guangzhou City. It is very near. It is belong to the Guangdong, Hong Kong, Macau, the Great Bay Area, and providing the complete supply chain and the mature logistics, and also the attractive many talents. Yes, because our children need to talents to design our new products. To keep up with our demands, we have built 2 small manufacturers in Nansha and also the Foshan City. Together, so total they cover more than 500,000 square meters for the research, development, and the production. and for 2 decades. For our 2 decades, we are committed to do the technology innovation, and also especially we got the precision temperature. Control, and also the smart system and energy saving. And we got also lot of the patents and the precision equipment manufacturer. And the technology keep us the leading in industrial application. In these years, we have expanded two brands like TEYU and SMA. Two brands are well known in domestic market and international market. Our chillers are used to over 100 countries, and we are on the way to building the cooling panel for the laser chiller and the precision equipment manufacturer. Here also I want to talk about it. Is in 2024. In 2024, we have to deliver the chiller 200,000 units to all over the world. So, for example, just is the European country like the Poland, Germany, and the Netherlands, and the Spain, and the Italy, also in the Turkey, and the U.S. In the American, just is the U.S., Canada, and also the Mexico, and the Brazil, and also in the Caribbean. So the chillers are delivered to the many countries. And after 23, in conclusion for this, after 23 years development, our company are being solid, trusted partner, and also the innovative brand in the laser industry. And also, we are not slowing down. We are committed to bring the chiller smarter and greener and higher efficient, higher performance for cooling. So to the world. Here also I have the video to show everybody. So here you can look our company video. Here. Sorry.
In 2002, TEYU unveiled its first industrial refrigeration system. For over 20 years, we have remained dedicated to the industrial refrigeration sector, continually pushing boundaries. From focused expertise to industry leadership, we have integrated R&D, production, sales, and service into a highly efficient system, driving value growth. We adhere to fully independent R&D throughout the entire process and hold multiple intellectual property rights on core technologies. With ultra-precise temperature control systems, intelligent convenience, computer communication compatibility, and stable cooling performance, TEYU SMA leads innovative applications of industrial refrigeration technology within the laser processing industry. We are a leading manufacturer, producing industry-leading products. We have 3 major production bases in Guangdong, China, along with 2 branch offices in Suzhou and Jinan. We operate 6 automated production lines integrated with MES systems, supported by over 30 globally advanced manufacturing and testing devices. Our rigorous process control and highly refined management ensure reliable products in every efficient operation. From tangible quality to intangible value.
There are the robots.
TEYU's 4 product lines consistently deliver innovative cooling solutions to industries such as new energy vehicles, energy storage, and photovoltaics, aerospace, and more. Our products are available in over 100 countries and regions worldwide. Focus, innovative, trustworthy, and leading. We continue to forge ahead with dedication, focusing on the core principles of high efficiency, sustainability, and precision. We continuously drive innovation in industrial cooling solutions, contributing to the high-quality growth of China's manufacturing sector. TEYU SMA is committed to becoming the global leader in industrial refrigeration equipment. TEYU SMA, your reliable partner.
Hello, after we watching our videos, I think after watching our videos, and there you have the basic understanding for our company TEYU and SMA. I saw the question that just is from the Robin. Robin said, "Where are you from? Where are you from?" Actually, our TEYU and SMA are from China, Guangdong Province, Guangzhou City. So it is very near the our address is near the Guangzhou South Station. Yes, if you come to the China, you also can visit our factory if you have a time. Now, turn to the topics is about here you have checked the video is about our company development and also to simply to introduce the domestic market and our company product series and so on. Now here I think the next question is often is frequently questions because some new customer they don't know how to select the chillers, so and also don't know the chillers application. So here the next question is about to talk here. Here is the which industrial primary use TEYU and SMA product. That means that is to ask your chillers application. TEYU and SMA chiller are used widely in industrial and other applications. Actually, the main customers are doing in the laser processing, laser metal processing, like the laser the laser cutting and the laser welding, and also the cleaning and the marking. Yes, so a lot in the laser industry. Also the additive manufacturing, 3D printing. Yes, because the machine is also when it is working, so they will produce the heat. So we need to buy a chiller to cool their heat or to, yes. So that is their functions. And also we have the medical equipment, yes, like the MRI and the SY. These big expensive instruments, they need the chillers to work together, yes. And also the laboratory equipment, because we have many customers. Customer, it is university, like the physical and the chemical, this major. So they need so their equipment need to their equipment to work also produce the heat. So our chillers is helpful to give their machine to low down their temperature. Also the CMC machines and the cooling, UV cooling system and the semiconductor process. Here just is some exhibition. For example, in the laser chiller, in the laser industry, our CWFL series chillers are specially designed for the fiber laser cutting machine and also the welding machine, because also the fiber laser cutting machine, they also have the dual circuit, like the artist and the laser beam, just we call the laser source. And they are usually used to do the metal process. And the CW, our CW water chillers with a single water cycle, it is very popular in the CO2 laser and the young laser and others, CWUP, CWL, and RMUP. This series water chillers provide ultra precise cooling for UV machine, and also the nanosecond and the picosecond days. In the 3D printing, I think our water chillers support technology like SLA, SLS, and the SLM. Just is to helping to regulate the temperature and all the laser models and the better 3D printing effect. So just is to ensure the equipment work stability and the high efficiency. Yes. Here also in the medical equipment, our chiller are generally used for the MRI scanner and also SY, also the also the bioreactors and also the centrifuge system. So our company also has different series water chiller for various applications. Just we have a talk about this. For example, just is the laboratory equipment, medical equipment, in the laser industry, and the 3D printing, and the different types of furnace. Yes, so many used widely, right? So our just is to provide the chillers for tailor of different variety of applications, and our diverse product ensure the TEYU chiller remain a reliable choice for the water chillers. So here it is to simply introduce the chillers application. Let me check. Do you have any question for this? Hi, Lubin. I saw your question and reply you just before. So if you have any question, you can come out with, okay? And here we just talk about the headquarters is in Guangzhou City. Yes, Guangdong Province, China. Okay. And we are doing the water chillers. So we have different types water chiller. So if you can tell me your application, we can suggest some the right chiller to you for reference. Okay. Now here we go to the next part. Here we generally to talk about the application actually. Actually, this question is to ask our research and development capabilities and the manufacturing capabilities. Actually, I think that many customers also know our company brand, and our products are well recognized and famous for the higher quality actually. So our TEYU and SMA has built a strong reputation based on the manufacturing capability and the quality and the research and development team here. And also, we operate multiple automatic assembly lines, and also we doing many parts by our internal. Yes, for example, it's the processing, it's the sheet metal. And the in-house sheet metal processing plant and specializing testing platform to evaluate the cooling performance, durability, and also the energy efficiency. So here is our company research, and our just is to introduce the manufacturing capabilities. And besides, our research development team focus on core innovation and including the thermal control system and also the temperature control system, and also we doing the smart doing electrical optimization, and also doing the energy saving innovation. As our know, TEYU hold also in the research and development team product. We also got the 66 patents. And here also to talk about our we generally manufacturing the water chillers is in our house. Generally from the every step, from the sheet metal fabrication and the compressor assembly, also doing the circuit integration to perform performance testing and the packaging. Is handled the internal. So our manufacturing for our chillers, it is advanced, yes. Also, also it can, by our doing most of that part, so it can ensure the quality is good. And before leaving the TEYU, before deliver the chiller out, TEYU and SMA will doing the agent testing for 72 hours, and multiple manufacturing functions inspection to guarantee the quality. Yes, for example, just is the higher temperature testing, and also during the electrical test for safety. And also we will doing in the product production. This part we will doing the test for the refrigerant leaking. Yes, it can ensure our chiller for the gas circuit is blocked well. Yes, and also in our chiller we will do the water circuit testing. Just is to test the water whether it is leaking or not. So it also to keep the products to ensure our product quality. And in addition, our company also has the ISO 9001 this certification, so it can ensure that the product is implemented according to the certification quality system to do. Okay, here just is to talk about the chillers capability actually. Let me check if do you have any question that. Okay, the question 4, that is the TEYU and SA chiller process international certification. Actually, we have the main market is generated in our European country and also the American countries. So in the European countries, we just to do the chillers with the CE certification and the REACH and also the ROSE certification for the yes. And the UL certification we generate for some models, not every model, just is the sum of model. And the CE we do the roles is for the environmental compliance, and also the REACH is to test the component, just is to test the chemical. Yes. And also along with UL certification for the electrical safety and SGS testing approval. So that also this certification can give our company, can give some customers and to show our company strengths. And also we are professional doing the chillers in the global market. Yes. So here you could see here the ISO certification. That is for the quality and the CE rows and the REACH, and also besides of the UL. For example, CE generally most of the models generally have got CE, and the UL generally is the CW5200 model, and the CW. Let me check. It's the CWFL 15000 model. Yes, and so on. So it can demonstrate our company. Our company chillers meet the global standard for electricity safety. Yes, and also the environmental compliance and the meet. We implement the straight safe. For example, is the design and the principle with all critical components thoroughly test for multiple protective safeguards, and so on. So that is the certification. So if you want to deliver to the European country, you also contact our TEYU. And also if you want the UL certification, I think the most of supplier they haven't. In China, they have a UL because the UL certification cost is very high. So but TEYU have some models with UL certification. So you could contact our TEYU, regardless of European country or the American country. We also can do that. Okay. And the last is what is the annual volume of the TEYU and SM Chile. Actually, our sales volume sales is increased. For example, in the 2022, the revenue is the 35.3 million USD, and the 2023 we also the revenue can reach the 52.7 million USD. Also in this year, in the 2024 this year, we also ship the chillers about 200,000 units to the different countries. So it has the 60%. It is delivered to the Europe to deliver the overseas market. Just as the Poland, Germany, and Mexico, America, Canada, and so on. So our product is well recognized in the overseas market, and they are very trusted for our quality, our product quality and the service. Here it is the what industrial owners and awards has TEYU and SMA Gate. Actually, we also got the many certification, and also got the honors. And every year we will attend the competitiveness, and we will doing this to get some awards like the let me check. It's the Ranger Technology Innovation Awards and the Off-Wake Laser Awards, and the laser component for the accessory and the model technology innovation. So in here, our TEYU and SMA chillers are well recognition for the technology innovation and also the industry leading product performance. And also we have earning the industry awards and certification. Hello everyone, do you have any question for this? Because we generally to introduce the 6 questions that is the customers ask frequently. I think if you had this, you can send to us, okay? Okay, I will introduce our company. Our company product series. Okay. Also, I will give some tips how to select the chillers. We could call our TEYU and SMA now has the 45 series water chiller. One is the CWFL water chiller. Second is the CW. And the 3 is the CWUP and the IMUP. And also the 4 is the CWUL series, and also in the 5 is the water cool water chiller. So that is the last water cool water chiller is different from the air cool water chiller. CW water chiller, CWFL, and the CWUP and the CWUL belong to the air cool water chillers. So here also to give some tips is how to use our chillers. Also the chillers water temperature range and also the ambient temperature use. Okay. First is how to use our water chillers. So first, you need to, according to your country's location, you need to pick up the right chillers, voltage and the frequency. Okay, here is one. And after you getting the right chiller, you need to first one you need to doing what you need to use before. Okay. First, because the water chiller need before the working, you need to filling the water, purifier water, or the denized waters to here. And also our water chillers has the water level, just is the red color, yellow color, green color. Okay. Green color, yellow color. It was different meaning. Just as the red color, it was mean that your water is leakage, and the green color just is the median, and the yellow color is the full. Okay. Here just is to, and then you connect, then you connect the powers. Just is the power, and how to make your chiller to work the machine, to work your machine. Generally, it is very simple to install that. Generally, we pick up, for example, if you have your machine, your chiller is the CW5200 model, so it is the single water cycle. You need to take the pipes, take the 2 pipes. For example, take 2 pipes.没有吗？ Because some customers don't will ask how to install my chiller and my machines. That is the outlet. Here we could say here is to pipe. Easy. So we know that because I have the Singapore customer recently to ask me how to connect the chiller and the machine. So we generally use the outlet part here in our chillers to connect the machine's inlet. Yes. So if the inlet is generally to connect the machine's outlet. So also they also have require is the close it is required the close looping. Yes, environment. Yes, and here about to talk about that is the installation. Okay, and here also to talk about the chillers and is the target. The chiller's target water temperature is from 5 to 35 degrees Celsius. 35 degrees. So if you want to lower down your target water temperature is our chiller is actually the water temperature range from 5 to 35 degrees. So if you want to reach plus and -1, -5, or the -10 degree, so our chiller is unsuitable for your needs. Okay. Ambient temperature. under the 45 degrees, because we know that some customers will ask, I want to use the chiller in our dessert, and that is the ambient temperature is about 55 degrees, and I want to also in the worst situation, it also could reach the 60 degree. So that is not feasible, okay? So that is the under 45 degrees. And here just is the tips for our chillers. And if you want to choose the right select and pick up the right chiller, you need to consider what is the power and frequency. Why I ask that? Because as the customer, you need to consider your countries, the power and the frequency. Then you need to and the cooling capacity. That is very obvious. Very. How to say? I think you need to consider point, because that is connect your power, connect your country's electricity. So power and the frequency is very important. Okay, and after consider this point, you need to consider the cooling capacity, because our machine, every customer's machine is different for the cooling capacity, and also your target water temperature also is different in different product. Cooling capacity. For example, if you get the water chillers in to cool the CMC machine, you need how about this? You need the 2 kilowatt cooling capacity, but you require is the 20 or the 20 degree water temperature. So we will suggest you to consider CW 6000 model. Yes, and also you need to think about the water temperature, telling the cells, the water temperature you need to set down. Here also the water temperature. Now is the application. Just is your machines. So generally you talk 2 days forecast. I think the sales will suggest the right chiller to you. If you don't know this, you need to telling the sales your machine's power, because the machine power is very big. They also require the higher cooling capacity. So that is some of the tips for this. If you have any question for this, you could talk to us. Okay? Due to the time reason, now we have to close the broadcasting. And if you have any question, just contact us. Here also, because we talk about the pipe, is how to connect your machine and the chiller. So the pipes we haven't offered because because every machines require different size for the pipe. For example, just is the length and also the diameter. So we haven't this. So you need to buy the pipes in the locally. Okay. See you next time.